Friends, it's time to take our country back from career politicians and political elites. It's time to disrupt the establishment and restore our voices to Washington. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce the People's Tractor Tour taking place from October 16th through October 20th. Join our movement to fight for Southern Illinois, champion working families, and make your voice heard. Sign the tractor, and when we win, I pledge to take this tractor to Washington, D.C. on my first day of fighting for you. Friends, let's get to work and let's take our country back. Cancel this, D.C.